Apple officially hit a bull cycle in the beginning of May. I posted it here on X, and you'll see that since then, the stock is up over 17%. Now, the reason that this bull cycle was starting was because buying pressure was coming in on the BX trender and the 33 fair value band was still holding green. You'll see on the right side of your screen, 66% of the time when this criteria is met, price will run 21% within a 15-week period. Price has broken out, as we already stated, close to 20% over about a 7-week period. And as of right now, this is looking to absolute perfection. Now, I will say that I would not be starting a position on Apple at this time. I think that this is a really good time to be holding on to my trade or holding on to any positions that I accumulated back when we initially called it out. But this is a textbook example of what our bull cycle looks to do. Now, the link to the bull cycle indicator and also to the bull cycle trading blueprint will be down in the description. It's completely free. There's no BS. You get access to both indicators, including the monthly BX and the 33 fair value band, to instantly know when we are in a bull cycle or a bear cycle.